Here guys, HR analytics data, and we have a data set of around 311 total resources which company has had for the current fiscal year. So we have implemented some key insights, and as you can see, like the client asks for the relationship between who person works for, which team, which manager, and what are the diversity profiles, and from which portal is diversity profiles hired, best recruiting sources, what we can predict, who is going to terminate and who is not. So it's all depends on their performance, their issues, satisfaction level. These are the content which we are having, which client has provided us. So, and which month of year company has most joinings, which month management level get hired most this year, age level categorization of employees hired this year. So we can all see. Let's jump to here. And so we have implemented some key insights, like employee salary categorization. There's some like low salary, average salary, high salary. So 270 people for this current year got average salary, 31 people got low salary, and 10 people is at the top management also are at the high salary. These are the managers team under which employees are working. They are having a team size of 22. These are the team size and the performance level of the team in the out of a scale of 1 to 5, and its number of employees terminated or resigned per month, so till from January to December. And these are the hirings for every month, and through different channels and platforms: Indeed, LinkedIn, Google, references, website, other web application. And these are the number of joinings in every month. So total diversity profiles as customer are, so they were 29. Average absence per month 10. Live projects which company is doing are 9. Now we jump back to a termination. It's a different visual. Here are the list of employees who are going to be terminated or who already got resigned. These are the satisfaction level, depends on the management level. If you want to go to a salary page, we can see the max salary by state is Massachusetts tops. Most number of employee got 250K. And if you want to see the average salary, so Rhode Island, that's the best thing. And cost to company by every team is this, by the manager. Average salary by marital status we want to check. So the most salary got by single persons, then married, then widowed, divorced, and separated. So let's get back to the page. Here is the snowflake schema, which how we have built the relationship between our tables. So we have a one measured fact table, and we have different dimension tables which we build the relationships, and we have built number of measures to support this dashboard. Thank you guys.